The Union Budget 2026 has been presented in Parliament with the government laying out its roadmap for economic growth, infrastructure expansion, and fiscal stability. Key announcements include a higher push for capital expenditure, new initiatives in education, healthcare, and tourism, and a focus on manufacturing and job creation, even as income tax slabs remain unchanged. The budget has sparked political debate over its priorities and impact. We spoke to Mansoor Ali Khan, an educationist and Congress Bangalore Central candidate for 2024 elections.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Can you let us know your opinion regarding the budget that came out today? Do you think that health, education, and entrepreneurship got its right share in the budget?
Yeah. See, actually, this budget, I call it with no vision, no courage, and no compassion. Okay. And the fiscal deficit looks good only because people's budgets were cut. For example, and one more thing, this budget claims Viksit Bharat but cut spending to show fiscal discipline. They've cut the spendings. There is a deficit, there's a reduction and achieved by slashing health, education, rural and social welfare. And see, if you even see the budget numbers tell the story. Revenue receipts by 78,000 crore lower than estimates. Net tax receipts 1.6 lakh crore short. The economic slowdown which it shows. Total expenditure has been cut down by 1 lakh crore. And capital expenditure cut down by 1.44 lakh crores. And there is a cut of 3,686 crores in the health sector. Education sector, they've cut around 6,700 crores. Social welfare, 9,999 crores. Agriculture, they've cut 6,985 crores. Rural development, 53,067 crores have been cut. And urban development, 39,573 crores. And even welfare schemes for and they have cut SC, OBC scholarship schemes have been slashed. And clean water, Jal Jeevan mission, nearly 50,000 cuts from drinking water mission. So what is this government trying to do? Who are they helping? Farmers and rural workers have been completely ignored. And there is no relief for poor and middle class. There's nothing to say about the jobs and empty promises. And healthcare and education is just token as a no investment at all. Okay, so Modi government has run out of ideas, and this budget offers no solutions, not even slogans it offers. So it has, by and large, this is one of a fizzled out budget given by Nirmala Sitharaman. I think over the last 9 years she's got used to it. And in this Modi government, non-performers, I think she's one of the most non-performing finance ministers. And non-performance has been rewarded in 9 years of Modi, 9 or rather 11 years of Modi rule. And coming to Karnataka, which is, it contributes, one of the most contributing states. Bangalore gets a generic 1,000 crore fund for infrastructure scheme. Again, they have a demand of nearly 28,000 crores. AIMS was promised in 2014 and it remains pending. It is a stepmotherly treatment where if government is not a BJP government and it's one more thing, it's a shame on the member of parliament of Karnataka, the way Karnataka is treated by this government. And I think our Bangalore MPs need to hang their head in shame that for Bangalore infrastructure there's nothing when Bangalore contributes so much. So I think all the three Bangalore MPs, rather they can't even say anything, they have no say. But it is a very unfair treatment, Karnataka. And the tax share cut from 4.71% to 3.64% is not restored. And the HSR corridors, that doesn't even serve Karnataka's core economic spine. And meanwhile, pole-bound states receive rare earth corridors. Karnataka is buried under the vague CER language. The pattern is very clear. Electoral cycles, not economic contribution, shape federal allocations anymore. This is a fiscal centralization presented as prudence. So by and this is a very disappointing budget, and this is very unfortunate, both for the state of Karnataka and as a country.
But also, though there is a marginal increase in the tax share, uh, especially for Karnataka, do you still believe that it's still not enough and it's
It is not
given?
enough. It is definitely not enough. And the irony is, Nirmala Sitaram has been forced onto the people of Karnataka. She's the MP from Karnataka.
Yeah.
As a finance minister, she's done nothing for Karnataka. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your insights on the budget. Thank you.